Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the most important topic. It is none other than encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but hiding the internal workings of an object while exposing only the essential features. If you take an example of a car, you don't need to know how the engine works. You just need to know how to turn the steering and how to use the brakes. So in the same way, encapsulation works. So now I am going to write a method such as class. Let us take student. If you take a class student, he will be having an age. Now I am going to take, I am going to create an object of student as s equal to new student. So here I am going to declare the age of a student. Let us take 19. So I am going to print here the age of a student. As you can see, we have got the output as 19, as you can see. Now if I am going to declare this as private, if I am going to run this may not work. Yeah, as you can see, it is telling that age has a private access in student. So the public and private or the access modifiers which are used for the visibility or a scope of a variable. Like there is another access modifier which is protected, which I will discuss in the upcoming videos. So now I am going to declare here only the age such as 19 for example. Even though I cannot get the output, if you try to see, even though we get the output error as age has a private access in student, it is telling that private is only accessible in the class student. If you come outside of the private, it does not able to show you the age variable. So now I'm going to use the methods like we're going to set some age like public int set age. So for example, now if I'm going to clear here and now I'm going to apply set age equal to 19 here itself. Now I'm going to write as set age. We are going to set the age, so we have to take a variable. Let us take a, and here we are going to set the age, right? So we have to take the variable a equal to a. Yes. Here we are going to get the age. So public, let me declare this as void, and as we have to get the return type as int, I am going to write as get age. Now here we are just going to return age. As here if you can see, now I am going to change this as we have to pass the parameters for set age. Here I am going to give it as 19. So other than trying to get the set age, we will write as get age as I have given the method. As if you can see, if I run this code will work mostly. There are wait public void set age a. Sorry, I haven't given the data type. I think that's the error. As you can see, we have got the output as 19. We can write this as a or b. As you can see, if I'm going to write this as A, if I'm going to write this as B, there is no error in this code. Now I'm going to write this as A, this is B. Even though if I run this code, I will get the same output. There is no error. But in Java, there is something called as getters and setters. So when we are going to set something, we will use as set and the value name. And we are going to get the value, we are going to write as get and value name. So here we are going to pass and we will get the output. If you do the same thing for an for age, we can try to do. So if you take an example of string name, the student will be having name. So we will be using name public void. We are going to set name, right? So we are going to write as set name string n. So here we are going to write as name equal to n because the n value is been assigned to the name. So we will get the same. I am going to copy paste. Here we are going to write as return name. Here we have to declare it as string, as we will get an error if you keep it as. Here we are going to give, here we have to change the values as set value valp, and we have to give the name also. So we have to write as set name. We have to write as set name. So we will write as Nagendra, my name itself. So if I keep this as get value, we have to get the name right first. So we will say in this also get name get name and s dot get value. So if I run this code, I will get as Nagendra 19. As you can see, s dot set value is giving an error. Method is integer. As you can see, I have given this as wrong. So it is giving me error. I run this code. Yeah, you can see I have got 19. If I run this code now, I will get as Nagendra dot 19. Yes. So if you use that get and value and set and value, those are nothing but setters and getters in Java, we call it as. And that's all for today, guys. I think you guys understand what is meant by encapsulation. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box, and I will try to write the next code from the VS Code. As my VS Code is not working properly, I will try to check and correct it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share this channel.